Ultimate Vietnam Experience, 14-day private tour. Welcome to vibrant Hanoi, your gateway to adventure. Explore Hanoi's rich history and vibrant culture. Journey through picturesque Mai Chau and trek Pu Luong's nature reserve. Discover the natural beauty and ancient sites of Ninh Binh. Sail through Halong Bay and arrive in charming Hoi An. Immerse yourself in Hoi An, timeless beauty and traditions. Experience the dynamic energy and history of Ho Chi Minh City. Navigate the serene waterways of the Mekong Delta. Conclude your journey with unforgettable memories. From north to south, every moment is a treasure. Contact Custom Asia Travel today and begin your unforgettable journey.